In the 608 this morning, we are spotlighting a local nurse known for being a jack of all trades.
This is a pretty cool story. Josh Brighter is live outside of SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital this morning with her story. Hey, Josh.
Hey guys, good morning. Over the course of the last year, we've heard countless stories of our nurses stepping up in ways never imagined. And the woman you're about to meet this morning is yet more proof of that positive impact being felt right here in the 608.
St. Mary's was the place for me. It was just kind of, I walked in and was like, yep, this is where I'm going to work.
You've seen her in many different ways on News 3 Now over the last year, and I finally got the chance to meet SSM Health's Jenny Bolton face to face after an unprecedented 16 months in healthcare.
You know, so much was unknown. You know, there's no playbook. We couldn't open it up and say, okay, COVID pandemic, turn to page 2. Having that bigger picture of public safety and patient safety is kind of like the beacon that guides you through that.
Jenny's official title is Regional Manager of Employee Health, but that's just one of the hats she wears. This is video from back in December as she was drying up the very first doses of the COVID vaccine, tasked with getting 14,000 healthcare workers vaccinated through SSM across the state. But even the biggest of challenges didn't stop her from staying positive.
It's hard work. On a good day, it's hard work. You start your day feeling defeated. That's kind of the story you tell all day.
The mother of two, also one of the lead coordinators of the pop-up vaccine clinics around the 608, including our very own vaccine days at News 3 Now, even getting the opportunity to give the shots to her own kids and other family members.
200 people here are 200 more people that have vaccine in their arms today.
Jenny's colleagues telling me the efforts wouldn't have been such a success without her help.
Just knowing if I could make it better just a little bit, if I could make sure that we have the right resources.
But this healthcare worker of 16 years credits her team members in getting the job done as quickly and as safely as possible. Even on the worst of days, Jenny knows she just has to keep pushing forward.
I'm the person that gets to go in, try to give a little comfort, try to be as positive as I can, because at the end of the day, no matter what hits me, I get to go home. And this person in the bed would trade places probably in a heartbeat.
So I just checked with SSM Health, and Jenny's been part of 40 vaccine clinics across the community, and that doesn't count the ones that she did for the employees at the start of the vaccination process. She's now shifting back into her normal job of doing the regional manager of employee health here, as that mental health awareness is still so crucial for the employees here, a part of the SSM Health system. Guys.
Yeah, so true, Josh. What struck you most about Jenny's story?
You know, I think it's just that positive impact. It's that positive attitude that she has every day. Even meeting her, you know, she's gone through so much over the last year, but she's still coming in with a smile. She's still coming in with that good attitude. And I think a lot of us can learn from that because, you know, there are going to be tough days, but if you go in, like she mentioned, feeling defeated right away, that's the story you're going to tell all day long. So if we can just learn from Jenny and be a little bit more positive and work through some of those struggles, I think we're going to be so much more successful.
Yeah, well put, Josh. Thanks a lot. Good story.
Wow, great story. Remember to let Josh know what inspires you in the 608. You can reach out to him on social media or shoot him an email.